You are knowing me. My name is Priyalsha. By profession, I am a chartered accountant and primarily I am a mommy. Welcome to my channel, Real Mommy Joyous Journey.
Thank you everyone for your overwhelming response. Today I am here to discuss a very much known topic which we as a parents fear to talk. Whether whoever would be, either it's middle class or a rich class, whoever in the world is very much frightened from this topic called molestation. Molestation is a word which we as a girl used to fear when we were in our childhood. During that days, during that days, I will talk about myself. When something such small things happen, we do not talk to anyone, neither our parents, neither our friends. But what we do is we just get inner sorrows. We don't talk, we be quiet, we become very much scared and we ignore such topics. So I don't want that our kids do that the same. We are right, friends? Right, mommies? If I am right, then please today see my whole video till end and see that how I will teach you that how we can educate our child from the age of 4, between 4 to 6 years, that how we can educate them to fight for molestation, how we can help them that they understand that what is called as molestation. That further you can use these tactics and help your child to explain that what is called as molestation. So friends, let's divide this topic between two parts. One is called as good touch and one is called as bad touch. Okay, so parents, just look at this picture. In this picture, I have drawn a figure of a man or a girl. Okay, so here I am defining various parts of the body. That is a face, there is a private parts called boobs, that is hands, hips, legs. Don't be ashamed of talking about this topic to your children. I will say you that talk to your children from the very age of 4, between 4 to 12. Talk to your children, explain this thing, that what is a private parts, what are the things or called as private parts, what is called as a normal hanky-panky gesture, what is a smiling gesture. Please make them understand what are the gestures which is friendly and not friendly. So let me explain you that what is called as good touch. Explain this to your children. What is called as a good touch? A good touch is a touch by your parents, either father and a mother. That is called as a good touch. Okay, your father, your mother kissing you on a forehead or kissing anywhere or just playing with you is just called as a good touch. But same things what your parents do, others cannot do. So if they try to do these things, it is called as a bad touch. Similarly, in our family, if they are trying to normally kiss you, which are their family members, normally as normal family members trying to kiss you or just normally hug you, that is a good touch. Except for this, any of them is trying to play around. So explain your child to say a big no and tell them to inform you about it. Right, child? So a bad touch, a touch like touching on boobs and hips by friends or unknown people, child should loudly say no and run away straight away to you and tell them that you should inform us and we will not do anything. Say a big no. Okay. Tell your children that if anyone says that please keep this as a secret, for this secret I will give you a chocolate or any of the gift. So your children should reply to such bullshit that no, I will not. I don't want the chocolate or I don't want the gift. And they should inform you back that it's not a secret and someone is doing that. Okay, so your children should say no. So, guys, teach this lesson to your, this is a moral lesson which we as a parent have to make understand to our kids, right, guys? So thank you for watching my YouTube channel till the end. If you like my topic, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video till end. Thank you.